In a slight twist to the famous movie quote, "That's not a drone, this is a drone." Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and a new class of FPV racing is upon us. I say that it's not actually new, it's been around for quite a while now, but it's not very well known in the consumer drone market yet. It's called X-Class Racing, and this is no ordinary FPV quad. Tony is a UK-based FPV pilot who goes by the name of Tonstar. He currently flies for a team called Fossil Stuff, who are a high-quality manufacturer of FPV kit, and they're linked to in the video description, so do take a look. But the cool thing here is Tony is one of the very first to fly X-Class in the UK, if not in Europe in fact, and this video is from him.
What's up? Tonstar, X-Class, Fossil Stuff X-Class. These are pre-order now. You can buy this frame.
These gigantic quads are basically scaled up versions of the smaller original size, but clearly the technical specification is dramatically scaled up because these aren't anywhere near as lightweight and so require significant power in order to be able to keep flight and fly as they do. The frame being flown here is actually called Thor, which is quite appropriate considering its gigantic size, and it actually has aluminium arms, but also carbon fibre arms are available as well. Now it becomes quite incredible when you think about the size of this. The diameter is 800 millimeters from motor centre to motor centre. To put that into perspective, that's more than twice the diameter of a DJI Phantom 4. It's powered by 4 80-amp speed controllers, which is incredible, and that's twice the amperage of a Mavic. Clearly the motors here are gigantic. Then the batteries. These generally seem to run 6-cell. In comparison, DJI Mavics run a 4-cell battery, and the power level is just insane. Listen to how these things sound in the air. Now you might be wondering about the onboard FPV feed. Well, these carry exactly the same kind of camera and VTX as a regular small FPV quad, and that means that whilst it's in flight, you get a view on board. Flying FPV is such an incredible experience and feeling because you really do feel like you're up there, far more so than when you fly a regular consumer quad like a DJI Mavic or a Phantom. If you haven't yet tried FPV, I highly recommend giving it a go, and I'll put some starter kits in the video description that you can take a look at. They include everything you need to get flying from the beginning. On the other hand, if you're interested in X-Class, well, the best thing is you can buy one of these right now. And in fact, that Thor frame from Fossil Stuff comes in just over $200. So you will unfortunately have to buy a little bit more, and those extra bits might hurt your wallet a tiny bit, but I think the satisfaction of flying something that big probably makes it worth it. So thank you very much to Tony Tonstar. Go and check out his YouTube channel now. There's a link in the video description, and let's help him to over 1,000 subscribers because he's been desperately trying to get there, and we can help him. Click that subscribe button on his channel now and do him a favor because he's got some great new videos to come. We'll be featuring more community spotlight videos like this very soon, so watch this space. Comment below, let us know what you think about X-Class. Give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're psychotic. And of course, click that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching.